it's Amber. I'm hopping on to give you some tips to get started with your Abby+anna dashboard. And the first thing you're going to need to do, obviously, is log in. So from your welcome email, which you should have gotten, it has some links. You check them all out for sure. The one you want right now is your back office and your dashboard link. Okay, so once you click in there, it should take you to login. So you're going to use the login details you created when you set up your Style Advisor account. All right, so make sure you put in your email here and not your username. It won't work if you do just username. So your email and then your password. If you forget your password, no big deal. Go ahead and do the forget password option there, okay? So once you do that, you click login and it will bring you to your back office where you've got all kinds of fun bells and whistles and cool things to help you be successful. So the other thing that can kind of pop up is if you can't find your welcome email, or it went to your spam and you're not able to dig it out. There is a way to get in without that email. Definitely talk to your upline so you can get the other links and things you need. But you can also log in by going to the main page, this shopabby+anna.com. Scroll down past all the categories, past the About Us and the Style Box subscriptions, and down here at the bottom, you've got a few quick links, and one of them, bottom right corner, is Advisor Login. Click that one, and it will bring you to that same Advisor login. And actually, the customer login is down here too, but you're going to want to go in as a Style Advisor. I think that's all for now. I'm going to hop back on in a second and go over how to set up your profile. All right, talk to you soon, guys. Bye.